Hello, this video will show how to move camera with button WASD in walk navigation and fly navigation. This is a setting we set before. We set the camera moving along a path. If you're interested, we can find the tutorial in this channel. I stop it here and go back to the first frame. Now I delete the previous camera and then go to add a new camera. Now the camera is added in the origin. We can use G to move the camera, or we can use the Gizmo to move the camera. I move it here. And then we can select the camera and press number pad 0 to move the view aligned to camera, or we can go to viewport, camera, to align the view to the camera. And then we can enter navigation mode. We can go to View, Navigation, Fly Navigation, or Walk Navigation. Or we can press shortcut Shift Accentuate to enter Walk Navigation. Now we can move the cursor to control the view. And then at the bottom bar, we can find the shortcuts to move the camera. We can use W to move forward, S to move backwards, A to move left, D to move right. And then we can use E to move up, Q to move down. And then we can add the gravity, so press tab to add the gravity, just like stand on the ground. So we can use V to jump. And then I move the camera here and press left mouse button to quit the walk navigation. And then if we want to set the keyframe, we can press I to insert the keyframe. I will choose location and rotation. So the keyframe is set. We can move to another keyframe. And then we can use Shift and Accentuate to enter walk navigation again. And then I move forward by W. I stand here and then press left mouse button to quit the walk navigation. And then we can press I again to set the keyframe. So we can move the timeline. The animation is set here. And then we can move it and then Shift Accentuate to enter walk navigation and move the camera angle, and press left mouse button and I to set location and rotation. So we set the walkthrough animation here. This is how we can set the camera with button WASD in walk navigation. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist. See you in the next video. Bye bye.